What's up, what's up, what's up? This is DJ with Social Media Cowboys. Today's tutorial video is going to be how to look at insights on your Facebook business page. It is super simple. What you want to do is come to your Facebook. If you have under your shortcuts your business that you're managing, whether it's your business or other people's businesses or whatever, you can just click on it under the shortcuts page. If not, you can add it by clicking on shortcuts, going in there and adding your business to the shortcuts tab on your Facebook. So what you want to do is click on that, and what it will do is bring you to your business page, where you can then look at the different manager tabs up here. These are only available to people that are admins on the business page, so people on the public that aren't admins or administrators or managers on your Facebook page won't be able to see this. So what you want to do is come over here and click on Insights, and that'll bring you to the Insights tab, where you can set it to today, yesterday, last 7 days, last 28 days. You can export the data if you want to download it and look at it. And what this does is just breaks it down into all these different areas, which are pretty much self-explanatory, to where you can see how your Facebook page is done over the last 28, 7, or 1 day. So we'll break it down to the 28. So you can come over here and see how many people have looked at your page in the last 28 days, how many people have liked your page, posts that you've posted, how many people they reached over those amount of days, how many people engaged with the post. If you post a video, it'll show you how many people looked at those videos. If you get just a follower and not necessarily a like, then you can see, or most of the time those are usually how do you say it, looked at the same way. A page like and a page follow on a business are pretty much the same. Individual pages, you can have someone who can friend you or someone who can follow you if they don't want to be your friend, but that's a different tutorial for a different day. So these two things are pretty much the same. It'll show you how many are organic. If you're paying for Facebook ads, then if you got one from that, it would say from promotions. You can come down here and look at your posts. So posts that you make on your page, you can click on that, and it'll show you how many people you're reaching, how many are engaging with those posts. If you have promoted, let's see if we've done any promoted ones recently. We have not. So if you have a promoted one that you pay for, it'll be like a darker orange right here, and you would get a different insights from that. But what you can do is you can break it down by days, and you can actually see what days and at what times people are most interacting with your page. So that's pretty cool. So like if you make a post and it blows up at 4 o'clock on a Friday, you'd be like, alright, cool, so that's when the most people are visiting my page, so you know that this time on Fridays you need to make that post, because that's when most people are active on your page. So it just kind of lets you know what days and what times are good to post. You can go by post types, and it shows you that photo posts with photos are getting more reach than just if you just put a link. You also put this under here from pages that you watch. If you watch any, you can add pages that are like your competitors or whatever, and you can see what type of posts they're doing, and if they're like really engaging or something, you can do something similar. So that's pretty cool that they've added under here. And then on the left hand side, you can just break down all sorts of things. If you're running ads, you'll see ads here, followers. You can click on this and see, you know, how many unfollows you're getting, organic followers, paid followers if you're running ads. Likes and follows kind of run about the same way. Reach is, you know, the reach of your post. So if you paid, so there was a paid post that we did in November, and you can see that it gets way more reach than if you just do organic. So it's good to mix it up. It's good to do organic and paid if it's something that you really want people to see, and it's like a time sensitive or something like that. Go ahead and do a boost on it, or a paid promotion, so that you get more people seeing it. Page views shows you people that come and view your page. Actions on page will show you people that are clicking like to go to your website, or if you set up your action buttons, which you can do. That'll be another tutorial video we make, but you can set up your call to action buttons on your Facebook business page. Post, we already kind of looked at that. It shows you how your posts are doing. If you have branded content, it'll take you to another page where you can collaborate with other people. So like we did a post where we did it with Locals Love Us. You saw how much reach and impressions it got, how much engagement it got. So that's cool to do with other businesses that you can collaborate with. If you have an event that you're going to set up, videos that you've posted, stories, the little stories you can take, kind of like Instagram stories you can do with Facebook. You can do the same thing on your business page, that'll be another tutorial video we can show people. This shows you how many people are on your page, what percentage of them are male, what percentage of them are female, what their age ranges are, where they're at, and things like that. You can come to messages, and if you've gotten your message, how responsive you are, all those type of things. So that's kind of a quick overview of how to use the insights on your Facebook business page to help you see how well you were doing, what's working the best, what days, hours, posts, etc., to help you with your organic posting and your paid posting on Facebook. Hope this helps, and see you on the next one.